Rudy made this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I did a pretty Valentine's Day look. I wanted to do just a really pink and girly Valentine's Day look, kind of inspired by Ariana Grande's 7 Rings video, kind of inspired by Valentine's Day. It's in the middle. So for today's look, I just did a really beautiful sparkly eyelid look, and I paired it with a nice purpley pink lip, and I feel like it screams Valentine's Day. So yes, if you guys would like to see how I put together this Valentine's Day look, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm mixing 2 different foundations. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 310. And this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and this one is in the shade F11. Then I'm just going to blend this out with my Real Technique sponge. I'm not sure if my hair is going to piss me off or not in this video, but we'll find out. Like I said a bunch of times, I'm in love with the way this finishes on the skin. It's just so pretty and so full coverage. Okay, so brows are done, so I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 300. This has been my favorite concealer at the moment. It's a little bit, I've realized that this is a little bit on the drying side, so just make sure you use a really good moisturizer if you're planning to use either the Fenty Beauty foundation or concealer, just because I find them to be a bit on the drier side. I'm on the hunt to find just like a really creamy and hydrating concealer. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And then just blend out with my sponge again. To set my face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana. I'm just going to place this under my eyes, basically anywhere where I put the concealer. The foundation is pretty matte, so my whole face doesn't need to be set, but I like to just make sure that the concealer kind of just stays in place. And then I put a little bit on my eyelids too, just to set the eyelid, because I'm going to be doing eyeshadow next. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Chill Baby eyeshadow palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I love the shades in here. They are so pretty. So the main color I'm going to be working with is this color called Bundled Up. It's just this really pretty cranberry burgundy color, and I'm just going to be taking that with a crease brush and placing that in my crease. I'm just going in with this fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend it out so it looks nice and soft. I feel like Valentine's Day looks should look nice and soft and like effortlessly pretty. That's like my idea of like a Valentine's Day look.
Rudy made this.
Okay, so lately I have been absolutely obsessed with these NYX metallic eyeshadows. These are amazing. So I have 3 different colors. I have this one in the shade Beauty Buzz, which is just this nice, pretty gold. I have this next one, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but it's just this really beautiful bronzy color. And as you can see, I use this one quite a lot. And then there's this one, which I'm gonna be using today, and this one is in the shade Smart Mouth, and it's just this really, really gorgeous rosy pink color. Okay, I zoomed you in more so you can really see how beautiful this is, but I'm just going to take my finger like this. The consistency is so weird. It's like a wet eyeshadow. It's so strange. Can you see how pretty that is? Like, it is unreal. Like, this takes all the work into having to like wet your eyeshadow brush and go into an eyeshadow. Like, this just does it for you. Like, I need this in every single shade that they have, but a lot of times they're sold out at Ulta. So like, that's kind of annoying, but. Look how pretty, so pretty and pink. I love these metallic eyeshadows. You need to go out and try them. They're absolutely amazing. Okay, and now for the star of the show, I'm going in with some glitter, and this is Loose Glitter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Pink Sapphire. I don't need a glitter glue or anything. It just kind of sticks right to the metallic eyeshadow we put on. Oh my god. So pretty! Do you see how pretty that is? Oh my goodness. I love it. That is so pretty. I am so obsessed. I'm just gonna go back into a fluffy blush, back into my fluffy brush, and I'm not gonna touch the glitter at all, obviously. I'm just gonna go kind of around the area just to make sure that all the shadow is blended.
Rudy made this.
Okay, so now I'm going in with liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a slight wing on both eyes. Okay, so it's Valentine's Day, so obviously we're going to put on some lashes. These are my favorite lashes at the moment. These are the Kiss Blowout Lash in the style Beehive. Kiss lashes have so many different styles of lashes, but this one just happens to be my favorite. Look how fabulous these lashes are. Like, these are fabulous. I love these. Alright, to finish up the eye look, I'm going back in with Bundled Up on this tiny little brush, and I'm just dragging it along my lower lash line. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend that out. Okay, finishing off the eyes with some mascara on the bottom lash line. I'm going in with my usual product for bronzer. This is the Too Faced pressed powder. No, this is not a pressed powder. This is the Too Faced loose powder, and this is in the shade Translucent Deep. Just gonna warm up the face. I'm not much of a contour girl. I feel like most people probably would want to contour for Valentine's Day just because you usually do your makeup a little bit heavier on Valentine's Day, but I'm just like not really a contour person. I'm more of a bronzy person, so. I'm gonna apply some under my bottom lip. Enhances your bottom lip, makes it look a little bit bigger. Take some bronzer down the side of my nose. Just gives the effect of a slimmer nose. I'm gonna blend it out with a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take whatever is left in the cap and work this into my hairline. For highlight, I wanted to do something sparkly and gold. I feel like I should do something a little bit less dramatic just because I have all the sparkles on my lid, but I'm just dramatic. So I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Let It Glow. Ooh. Ooh, I love it. Nice gold, sparkly, pretty. For lips, I feel like I had a really hard time deciding because I have so many pinks, but which pink is the right pink is the question. I didn't know if I wanted to do a nudie pink, and I didn't know if I wanted to do matte or a gloss. I feel like I want to do gloss because gloss is very in, but at the same time, if you're going out for Valentine's Day, you're gonna be probably kissing, so you don't really want to get gloss on your boyfriend. I think I'll start with matte, and if I want to add a little bit of gloss, I'll go in with a little bit of gloss, but we're gonna start with matte, and then if I want to add a gloss, I'll add a gloss. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Boy Bye by Kylie Cosmetics. It's just a really pretty purpley rosy color. I'm gonna overline them a little bit. Because obviously it's Valentine's Day. We want nice, big lips. All right, I think I'm making the executive decision to keep it like this because I really like the way it looks. And it's a velvet, so it's nice and comfortable. It's not a matte, so it's not gonna get disgusting like throughout the night. So yeah, I really like this color. So yes, that is it for this Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is one look of many to come. I do want to do a nice red Valentine's Day look because I feel like that's such a classic look for Valentine's Day. But yes, this is all for the look today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave any video suggestions you have for me down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.